Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Prabhjot. Welcome back to my French learning channel. Today we are going to learn how to tell time and how to ask time in French. It's very simple, so stay tuned. Expression to tell time. It is il est. Always we use il est. Now what could be the question how you are going to ask time in French? So question is quelle heure means hour, est, right? What time is it? So this is question. So always your answer will start with il est. Let us take few examples. If you are saying 5 o'clock, how to say in French? Il est, using this expression, 5 heures. So what exactly we are doing? What is the formula? Number plus hour. So we are using number, this is hour, and this expression, right? Very simple. Then if for example, if it is like 5-10, minutes are also given. So how to say it? Il est 5 heures 10. This means 10. I have just added number of minutes to it. Now if it is 5:15, how to say? 15 means car in French, okay? So I am going to add it here. Il est 5 heures, a car. A means and 15 minutes. If it is half past, right? If it is 5:30, then il est 5 heures et demi. Demi means half an hour, right? Past. Then 5:45. This is a little bit tricky. Here we use to say 6 hours minus 15 minutes in French. Okay. So this is the idea behind. Il est 6 heures moins le quart. Now what it means? 6 heures means 6. Because you know that after 5 it is going to be 6 hours. So we are saying it is 6 hours. Moins means less. Subtract. What to subtract? 15 minutes. Le quart. So minus 15 minutes. Isn't it very easy? So I think today you have learned how to tell time and how to ask time in French. Great job. Stay tuned to my channel for more French lessons. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Très bientôt.